Like seriously. I knew I couldn't live the rest of my life without you. I go love. Afternoon. Afternoon.
I think we have booked for 2 o'clock.
Hey, come and have a seat. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I know by the time you'll be watching this video is long past Valentine's Day, but I hope you had fun. Hope you were able to spend time with your loved one, and hope you had a gift. I hope you did. So guys, today I already have a booked 1 hour massage session at my favorite spa, and that's where I am right now. It's quite sizable. They have this thing for facials, but I'm not doing facials today. I only booked for just massage, and that's what I'm doing today. So see you guys.
Who was interested first? Who said I love you first? Who's more protective? Who cleans more? Who eats the most? Who spends the most money? Who is most likely to start an argument? Who falls asleep first? Who is more annoying? From your darling husband. Yes.
For my husband.
Yes. This
Jesus.
is from your husband.
Is it lie? Jesus.
Oh my God.
My goodness. So my husband.
Hey. Happy Valentine's Day.
What?
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, I hope you like your hamper.
Thank you, God. Did he pull this off? Like seriously? After everything, hey God. Hey. Thank you so much. Jesus. How did you pull this? How did you pull it off now? Hey God, this one you finish me, oh. You choke, oh. You choke me, oh. But I no go die, sha, but you choke me. Hey God. Hey God, this is really, really amazing. I don't know what to say. I'm so speechless. Like, I've never experienced something like this before now, so it was really nice. I've never even opened the thing, sef, but hey God, is the thought behind this for me? Is the thought for me? I'm seeing your card with love to my wife. Hey God, oh. Thank God I'm a wife and not a knife, oh. Hey, this is nice. This is nice. Thank you so much. I love you. This one na activities oh. Hey, hey, plus things oh. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for the love. Go after the whole yesterday, starting from Saturday, after the massage session, with the eating out, with yesterday's own too, then today own, you just choke, finalize everything with choking. You make marriage so easy. You really make marriage so easy, so beautiful. Ah, thank you. Obulu Obulu. Make I speak Isha after I'm Isha now. Obulu Obulu. As your Ovia, my excellence. Hey, babe, I'm more. Yeah. Okay, have a nice day. She did video. I beg, send my video. I told her to send it to you so you can send to me. Let me find it anyway. For memory's sake. I love creating memories. Okay, now. Later. Yeah, bye.
I go love
For Valentine's
oh my god.
Yeah, chocolate. Wow.
This is so nice.
And another chocolate.
Wow, this is
Oh,
nice.
it's one of my favorite chocolates.
Wow. Okay,
Wow.
and a card.
Wow, it's customized.
Woo!
Wow.
Wow.
No, that's my nickname. No, from the moment I saw you, I felt love. I knew I couldn't live the rest of my life without you. Over the years, 5 to be exact, you have been my number one fan, my biggest cheerleader, my lover and sweetheart. I call you Nono because you're my numero uno, my one and only, my completeness. It's you and no one else, as you are my last bus stop. With you in my life, daily favor and wealth has become my reality. I love you passionately, my Nono. Happy Valentine's.
Guys, to my wife. This is so nice.
Thank you.